Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix VLC not going full screen automatically. So is VLC not opening videos in full screen automatically? I'll show you how to fix that so your videos play in full screen every time. So start by launching VLC Media Player on your computer. Now click on Tools in the top menu. Once you click that, scroll down and click on Preferences. Now a settings window will appear. In the interface tab, look for the option that says Start in full screen mode. So you should see it in this section. Check the box to enable it. After that, click Save at the bottom, then close and reopen VLC to apply the changes. So play any video file, it should now automatically open in full screen. Now if the issue continues, you need to go back to Tools, go to Preferences. Now in here at the bottom, you should see Reset Preferences. Tap on it and tap on OK to confirm. Next, restart VLC. So close VLC and reopen it. Now this can fix glitches or misconfigured settings. Another tip, you can also press F on your keyboard to toggle full screen manually. And that's how to fix VLC not going full screen automatically. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.